Welcome to the in front of me HTC Desire 22 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and then here in the search bar enter Ampere. Now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap here to open the app, click yes I agree, tap to close, on the left down corner tap to OK, and now we can see here information about health of our device battery, and in my case that's good. Also we can see here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, Android version, model of our device, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.